So in order to actually get it done and getting this one to work, we need first we need to connect the timetable to this data from the weather station in Norway. However, we haven't really created the minute, the time to the minutes table. So we need to do that. So let's go and into the data from the weather station and press edit query. So we would not like to create a new table which shows the time, and we will duplicate it and we will change the data so it's only the time. And as you can see, we have only data per hour, so doing it per minute won't really change anything. And also, all of the hours are actually represented in this. All the hours that are represented in this table is also represented in that table. So we will change the name of this one, rename it there to time of the day. And we will go press close and apply. And now you will see we have time of the day here. And if I add time to the minute to time of the day, you can see now that this one is also connected. And now if I press this button, you can see it's not really working yet, but the reason why is that we need to change this one. And we go down to the time to the hour. And now you can see that it's actually working for the first one. Depending on what hour or day I look at, the temperature is actually showing the actual temperature. The reason why it's getting a bit difficult to see is that this one is moving, and I will change that. But still, the last one is not really working. It's always like average for the day, so we also need to change this one. Instead of using the one we created in temperature, we need to use the time to the 10th minute here, because both these curves now know that the temperature, the x-axis, they both are related to that one. So now that also works. And as you can now see that the temperature is changing. The only thing that is a bit difficult to see is that the relative scale is actually moving. So if I go to this one and I would like to change my format, my visualization, and I'll say the y-axis, it should be in minimum, and basically the minimum temperature I could see is roughly minus 24. So we'll write here minus 25 maybe, and here I will write the maximum temperature is probably 30 degrees, and I will do the same for this one, minus 25 and 30. And the reason for doing this is that when I go through the data, you will be able to see, get a better understanding of how the temperature, at least from the outside, is actually changing comparing to the inside. So the scale is now fixed, but I still have a problem that the coldest day it's actually minus 25. Maybe I should go even further down. So what if I say minus 30? And for this one as well. All right, so now I have a better understanding of what's happening.